Today we are going to learn how to create new email account using Hostbella Control Panel. Remember, for this approach, we are not using cPanel, but we are going to use Hostbella Power Control Panel. To do so, first, navigate toward hostbella.com and then click on the Control Panel icon placed right next to the shopping cart icon on the top right menu. You will be redirected to the secure client login page. Enter your email password and click Login. You will be logged into the Hostbella Control Panel. Here, visit the Services section present on the front page, which is Dashboard. You will see your hosting plans currently being used from the Hostbella. Click on the hosting service you want if you are using multiple hosting services. All will be appearing here. Then scroll down and in the Quick Email Account section, just enter the email. For now, we are going to use test username and give your required password and click on Create. Once you are done, you will see the notification, Email Account created successfully. You can go to the Email Account section and you will be redirected to the email accounts you are holding. It can be easily seen that there is a test username email over here. To log into your email account and check emails, just click on the Check Email and you will be redirected to the Webmail, where further you can open your email. So this is the newly created email account where you can send or receive the emails easily. Remember, with this shortcut, you are going to create the email account using the Hostbella Control Panel, and it's not using the cPanel. And that completes how to create new email account using Hostbella Control Panel. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up.